stay. Wish for this moment to never go away. But it's all in my mind. Though I know that there is nothing to find. You're a beautiful sight in the summer night. And you can't put up a fight in the misty light.
Hi guys! Good morning!
Good morning!
Today is May 1 and nandito na kami ngayon sa Albay. Pero wala pa kami sa mismong Legazpi City proper and yun yung pupuntahan namin. Time check, it's already 8:24 in the morning and ang first agenda namin ay mag-breakfast.
Yeah, tutok na ako.
Yes, hindi pa kami nagbe-breakfast. So, ang last kain pa namin ay kagabi. Spontaneous tong trip na to. So, wala talaga kaming prepared or organized na itinerary. Pinilit lang namin tong matuloy dalawa. And holiday ngayon, May 1.
Long weekend.
With 2 days
2 days leave.
leave. Hi guys, good morning! So, nandito na kami ngayon sa Cagsawa Ruins. Kakadating lang namin. Medyo unfortunately, may clouds sa taas. So, kanina wala siya. As in wala. Clear talaga siya. And also, since May 1, holiday, madaming tao. (10:24 AM na and kakatapos lang namin mag-picture. As of now, medyo covered pa din yung mayon ng clouds. Sabi ni Sir Ronald, around 6 to 7 AM yung best time na kita talaga yung mayon na walang clouds. And then, 4 to 5 PM. Wherein kanina, nung nasa biyahe kami, nakita talaga namin na walang clouds yung harap ng mayon. So, okay, nakita namin siya. Good afternoon. Time check, 3:37 PM na and nandito kami. Nag-i-stay ngayon sa Mayon Lodging House. So as you can see sa video, kitang-kita yung Mayon dito. Ito na rin yung pinili namin kasi bukas ang activity namin ay mag-ATV ride kami. Bigyan ko lang kayo ng konting details regarding sa lodge house na to. Yung nakuha namin na room ay 1,200 for 2 packs. May aircon na siya, may TV, and then may wifi. However, yung smart TV hindi siya gumagana kanina. For some reason, hindi namin siya mai-connect. Malapit siya sa Cagsawa Ruins, Daraga Church, Sumlang Lake, and then sa Kitinan Ranch. Yun yung pupuntahan nga namin mamaya. May advantage talaga na maganda yung roof deck nila and kita mo yung mayon dito. As in, malapit lang talaga siya. Akit tayo sa taas.
I hope we don't fail to see the beauty of being free. Don't forget what you love the most. I just wanna keep you close, so we have to give it one more try before the idiots are taking over. They're caught up in the race of wanting more than we can.
Hi guys! Paakyat na kami sa Kitinan Hills and thank God dahil kitang-kita si Mayon. Ganda guys, grabe.
There's so much more than we've been told, way beyond what we can hold. So keep your eyes open for the things that really matter. Oh, we have to give it one more try now that the idiots are taking over. They're caught up in the race of wanting more, and we can tell one from the other. No one can tell you what they're running.
Good evening! So basically kanina nung umalis kami around 3:30 PM, dumiretso na agad kami sa Kitinan Hills. I think siya yung may pinakamagandang view ng Mayon dito sa May Daraga. Kitang-kita mo talaga yung pinaka-shape ng Mayon dun sa Kitwinan Hills. Very picturesque yung area.
Sabi, sobrang pagod na ako.
Actually, kanina natulog siya pero kulang pa din dahil parang 1.5 or 2 hours lang ata siya nakapagpahinga. Baka pumunta na lang kami sa Small Talk Cafe tonight para mag-dinner. I think yun na yung last stop namin for tonight. Dahil maaga pa kami bukas. So, yun lang.
What's it for? What's it for?
Hi guys! Good morning! Morning po. Dito kami kakain sa may roof deck kasi tignan nyo ang view. Good morning.
Hello guys.
Mag-start na kami ng ATV ride, Green Lava Trail. Si Ronald pala. Hi, Kuya Ronald. Siya yung nagpipicture sa amin kahapon sa may Kagsawa Ruins. So, ina-offer niya na din yung kinuha namin na ATV ride. Located lang to sa gilid ng tulay. Well, madami nag-o-offer ng ATV ride pero recommend ko na din sila sa inyo. Nandito lang sila sa gilid ng tulay. And magaganda yung mga ATV nila.
Yung opinion trail is Green Lava, estimated travel time 1.5 to 2 hours back and forth. Depends pa rin sa driving skill nyo. Kung magaling kayo mag-drive, mas mabilis tayo makakarating, hindi makakapunta.
She said she couldn't believe why waste my time on this. Bullshit mentality isn't a thing that I would miss, but I still remember those days when we used to kiss on a lazy afternoon. Cigarettes and bottles of wine living easy, I presume. Now I can't stop wondering why you have to be so cold, frozen like ice. It's hard for me to really adore your new disguise. The blood is rushing through my veins and we play that game, although it's the same thing every time. You are frozen like ice. Baby, why'd you have to be so cold?
Hi guys! We're finally here sa Green Lava! Pinakamalapit na view ng Mayon na nakita namin since day 1. Guys, grabe, ang ganda. Hindi kayang ma-justify ngayon ng camera yung ganda nung nakikita namin. Pero, grabe yung details nung mismong vulkan natin. Kahit sang angle mo siya tignan, perfect cone shape talaga siya. Galing. Thank you Lord talaga kasi nagpakita si Mayon sa amin. Alam nyo ba, may sinabi yung ka-work ko, tapos naalala ko lang siya nung binanggit ulit siya ni Kuya kanina. So sabi nila, or merong sabi-sabi, na kapag daw nagpunta ka sa Mayon or sa Albay, and then nagpakita si Mayon sa'yo ng walang clouds, ibig sabihin daw, pure daw yung heart mo, or like your intention, something like that. Grabe guys, ang ganda niya talaga.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. So all that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see.
Hindi na ako nakapag-update sa inyo. Ito try lang namin yung sili ice cream dito sa First Colonial. So, ang cute nung ano nila, table mat. Pwede kayong magkulay. Kulay tayo. Ano kulay ng mayo? Green?
Secret, magkukulay din ako.
Gagawin natin green and black. Hindi na ito ako malam magkulay ah. Mukhang may pabarating na bagyo dito sa mayon. Best in coloring.
So, tikman natin guys. Maanghang daw eh, level 1. Aftertaste yung ang.
Oo, nanonood.
Sarap. Una, akala mo wala eh.
Cream. Ang anghang. Level 1 lang yung pinili namin. Kasi nga sabi ni Kuya Ronald, yung level 1 daw ay medyo maanghang na talaga. So, tama siya. Pagkasubo mo, ice cream din yung lasa niya, normal na ice cream. Pero once na nag-melt na siya sa dila mo, or malalasahan mo na yung anghang, nag-stay siya sa medyo sa opening ng throat. So, okay naman siya.
If I could fly, if I could kiss the sky, would you take me for granted? And if I could run faster than speed of light, would you take me for granted? Shake, shake, trembling to my bones.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Nandito kami ngayon sa Old Airport kasi dito ginaganap yung Bicoloco, yung first ever hot air balloon festival dito sa Albay.
If I could